We'll guide you through how to go full screen on an iPad. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So, with a recent update on the iPad OS, Apple have gone and changed how the iPad can go and work. So, when you go and open up an app, let's open up Safari, you can go and see it doesn't immediately go and open up full screen. Now, you may go and prefer it to, and you just want to have the app take up the entire screen. So we're going to guide you through some different options you've got in order to go and achieve this. So make sure it's this full guide. So for example, when you go and have an app opened up like this, what you can do is come to the top left where you can go and see the red, orange and green icon and tap there. Then I'll expand the options and press the green with the two arrows. And that will then go and make the app full screen, as you can see. But you may want to have the more traditional method, just where you go and open up an app, it's immediately full screen. So we'll guide you through that as well. So we can come and close out of the app, and you need to go and open up your settings. Now on the left, you need to go and scroll down and go and find multitasking and gestures, and you can then go and tap in here. At the top, you've got windowed apps, which is currently open, but then you've got full screen apps. So this will always use apps full screen, and you swipe home to switch between them. Just tap there, and I can then go and open up Safari or another app, and it will just go and be full screen. It's the more traditional sort of way. So that's it. That is how it can be done.